Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Wall hanging plants have become a popular and refreshing addition to interior and exterior decor, breathing life and vibrancy to spaces in a unique way. These suspended green arrangements offer a host of benefits beyond aesthetics, making them a delight choice for both home and offices. One of the most striking features of wall hanging plants is their ability to maximize vertical space in environments where floor space may be limited, such as apartments or small offices. These plants offer a clever solution. They can be hung from walls or ceilings, transforming unused areas into lush green displays. This not only adds a touch of nature to the surroundings but also creates a calming and inviting atmosphere. Wall hanging plants are incredibly versatile and come in various shapes, sizes, and species. Whether you opt for drilling vines, air plants, or scale nuts, there is a wide range to choose from suit your personal style and the lighting condition of your space. They can be creatively arranged to create captivating living art installation or placed strategically to frame windows and doorways. Maintenance of wall hanging plants is generally straightforward. They require periodic watering, but many species are drought tolerant and low maintenance. Properly selected and positioned, they can thrive with minimal effort. In summary, wall hanging plants are a fantastic addition to interior exterior decor, providing aesthetic beauty, health benefits, and a space saving advantages. They enable you to infuse greenery into your surroundings, evident tight space, and create a more inviting and refreshing environment, whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or new to gardening. Wall hanging plants offer a creative and enjoyable way to incorporate nature into your daily life. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.